1956 T-Bird air conditioning. Had an aftermarket air conditioning system installed. It never worked right for years. Always had a leak. We're searching for that, but I got it up and running now. They were never able to get the AC below 55 degrees. I did a proper evacuation and recharge, and it's now down to 43 degrees. But I know on this particular system, you can get them a little colder than that too. Under dash, taking temperature here. The inlet air is right here. So I take the inlet air. They'll drive it around up to the show and let the UV trace dye do its work. I went around with the electronic leak detector, real minute pickup of refrigerant through hoses, but super minute, nothing major. So the problem is on this one, since it's constant and repetitive every time they charge it up, it's either vibration or temperature sensitive between the rubber and metal, or when you're going down the road and you hit vibrations, everything is rattling, then you leak. You hit a certain pressure, then you leak. A pipe or a rubber hose between expansion and contraction hits a certain temperature, and somewhere in between it'll start leaking, and then it hits a different temperature and it stops leaking. Those are some of the most difficult ones to find sometimes. So we'll see this one again next week or two.